Bidet? Is compliance gonna let us talk about bidets on this? Did you know that the term housewarming originated in France as a thank you dinner to give back to everyone who helped build your house? This will make sense here shortly. Guests would bring firewood to keep the house warm, and there you have it, housewarming. On today's Lending Listicles, we compiled a list of some items that you can drop hints about when you host your first housewarming party. Number 1, self-automated vacuums. Look, you've got a bigger house, so why not skip the old school vacuum and go for one of those fancy automated ones that you can power from your phone. It's either the best thing in the world or the laziest thing, but either way, it's awesome. Number 2, a fully loaded toolbox. Look, you left the apartment, so there's no more maintenance guy. You are the contractor now. That's a terrible accent. Look, ask for a fully loaded toolbox with all the fixins for your home renovations. Or if you're a lost cause, watch a video online or hire a contractor for your odd jobs. Number 3, a personalized doormat. This is my favorite idea. I'm sure you're hoping your friends and family will buy you one of those generic doormats like Welcome Home or Home of the Smiths, so don't be surprised when someone gifts you, please hide the packages from my husband, or new house, who dis? Number 4, yard games. Moving from an apartment to a house with a real yard, finally, it's a big deal. You're gonna need some outdoor entertainment options. Ask for horseshoes or cornhole and let the competition begin, and I am talking to my neighbors. Number 5, bidet. I'm gonna try to make it through this. Nothing says congrats on your new home like a clean bottom. And hey, there was a toilet paper shortage last year, so if you feel comfortable asking Aunt Edna for a bidet, I say why not? To see the rest of the housewarming list and to hear more about bidets, check out the Movement Mortgage blog or contact a Movement Mortgage loan officer near you.